Copilot Studio now supports image inputs. Upload, analyze, and get AI-powered insights. Hello everyone. Today in this video, I will show you the latest update of Microsoft Copilot Studio. You'll be very happy to see this new feature added to the Copilot Studio. Now we can pass the image file as an input to the Copilot agent. I'll walk you through and show you very quickly how this can be done. So let's get started. This is my demo Copilot. I will go to the settings of my Copilot agent. Then I will go to this Generative AI section. Here, if your Copilot agent Generative AI setting is in Classic mode, you must change this to Generative AI mode. This is the prerequisite for image input. Once you change the Generative AI mode to Generative from the Classic mode, you can see a new section, Image Input. What does it offer? Let's see. Users can upload images that agents can analyze and use to provide responses. Right? By default, this will be in disabled mode. You need to enable it with the combination of generative mode. Then, save the changes. As already I enabled it, I can see the Save button is in disabled mode. Right, so now my Copilot is ready to be tested with the image files. Let's go to my Copilot. One more change you will notice is that the moment you enable the image input mechanism, you can see a paperclip icon in your Copilot agent user input box. Using that, you can attach image file. So let's test this out now. I have downloaded a couple of random images for my demo from Google. I will attach them one by one and see how this works. And I will pass this prompt here. Please describe my attached image file. Let's see how Copilot's processed my uploaded images. Yes, Copilot processed my attached image file, and here is the description. The attached image file shows a section titled Apps with icons for various applications. The applications displayed are, you can see on the screen. Basically, these are Microsoft 365 apps. There is also a button labeled Get More Apps and a link to all apps. See how quickly I got my image analyzed and described. Similarly, I will upload some more random images to test whether this Copilot can handle it. Let's attach the next image, and I'll pass the same prompt. Please describe my attached image file. Let's see what it processes and what we can see here. My image file is being processed. Yes, I got my image processed. Let's read this out, what it processed. The attached image file shows a dynamic and colorful background with a central computer monitor icon, displaying code symbols. Surrounding the monitor are various icons representing cloud computing, gears, light bulbs, and other technology-related symbols, suggesting themes of technology, coding, and innovation. This also worked. Similarly, I'll pass one more random images and let's see how this works. My file is being processed. Yes, for this also I got the process description of what I uploaded. The attached image file shows a stylized illustration of a computer monitor and keyboard with multiple code windows open. Surrounding the monitor are various programming languages and technologies, such as SQL, PHP, CSS, Java, HTML, XML, and C++. The image conveys themes of programming, coding, and software development. so this also worked. Let's pass another random image here. I'm trying to show here whether the Copilot fails to process random images with different types. Is Copilot intelligent enough to process and handle all various types of images? That's why I am passing different types of images. This image also got processed and got me the description about it. The attached image file shows a person working on a laptop with a background of numbers and data, suggesting themes of data analysis, cybersecurity, or programming. The image conveys a sense of focus and concentration on technical work. Fantastic, this also worked. Then I will pass the last image for this testing. Let's see what the process description I get here. Fantastic. This also got processed. The attached image file shows a screen filled with lines of code. The code is written in a programming language and includes various syntax elements such as functions, variables, and conditional statements. The image conveys themes of software development, coding, and programming. Perfect. All testing has given me positive results. As of today, this feature is in preview mode. Over a period of time, this will get more improvements, and Microsoft will add much more functionality to this. Best practices for using image inputs in Copilot Studio. Use high-quality images. Avoid grainy, poorly lit, or pixelated images, as they may be difficult for agents to interpret. Supported file types. Upload only JPG, PNG, WebP, or non-animated GIF files. Content moderation. If an image triggers filtering, restart the conversation to clear the moderation history. File size limit. The total size of all uploaded images in a conversation must not exceed 15 megabytes. Any images beyond this limit won't be used. That's all for today. I hope you liked and enjoyed this demo and learned something new today. If this helped you, please consider subscribing to my channel. In the upcoming days, I'll come up with many trending videos on Microsoft's latest technologies, like Microsoft Copilot, GenAI, Power Platform, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Pages, SharePoint Online, Artificial Intelligence, and many more. Kindly be with me and help me to grow on this journey. Thank you.